Welcome to our Everlast tech support channel. Today we'll be showing you how to resolve that horrible screeching or whining noise from your machine when welding at a specific amperage range. On a large majority of our machines, you will find this transformer located on the right-hand side of the unit, closer to the back of the machine. If this strap around the transformer has come loose, or if it was not tight enough, it will produce a very annoying sound. This problem can be easily resolved by wedging a non-conductive material between the strap and the transformer. When I need to wedge a transformer, I'll start by using a small screwdriver to open up the strap enough so I can fit my first wedge in. Then I'll push my second wedge in behind the first. Once it becomes difficult to add more wedges, I have found it best to then push the wedges to the bottom of the transformer. So then I can add smaller wedges to the top. With this method, I can usually resolve the issue on the first try. If the problem continues, leave your wedges installed and try again on the top of the transformer. Please remember to use a non-conductive and non-flammable material for your wedges. One of our units, the transformer, is a little bit harder to get at. It can be accessed without removing the main inverter, but it will require some more finesse. Tightening this transformer strap will be similar to the steps seen earlier in this video, except it will be harder to add the second set of wedges without removing the board. I would recommend performing a quick weld test after adding each wedge. If you're having difficulty or the transformers are not similar to the ones listed in this video, please send a picture of the part to your tech support advisor. Thank you for working with us today. We hope that this video has helped to remove this audible noise from your machine.